Okay. What's that?
Bear.
Mm-hmm.
Cow.
Okay. What's that?
Duck.
Okay.
Elephant.
Okay. Next. Oh, next. Next. Huh? No. How about that one? You're not teaching me good. How do I know? Mama don't have any idea of this alphabet and animals.
Lion.
Lion. Tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger?
Lion.
Where's tiger?
Tiger. Lion.
Lion. Good. Zebra.
Giraffe. Tiger.
Ah. Zebra, tiger, zebra, tiger, tiger, zebra, zebra. Ah. Zebra, tiger, tiger, zebra. Continue.
Fish.
Where is fish? That's not fish.
Fish.
No, X-ray.
X-ray.
X-ray, unicorn, unicorn, X-ray. Ah. Unicorn, X-ray, X-ray, unicorn. Go.
Cat.
What's that?
Cat.
Let me see. Iguana.
One. Cat.
What's that?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Oh. Iguana, flamingo, iguana, flamingo, flamingo, iguana. Chug. Chug. Okay. What's that?
Heart.
Heart. What's that?
Circle.
Oh. Heart circle, where are you? Yay! Heart. Yay. Okay. What's that? What's that?
Square.
Square. What's that?
I don't know.
Ah, let me see. What's that?
I don't know.
Read it. Oh,
A triangle.
triangle. Square, triangle, triangle, square, triangle, triangle, square, square. Triangle and a square. Okay, anything else? The diamond. Diamond and star. Diamond and star.
No, Mommy. I got the diamond. I
Okay.
got the
You got the diamond.
I got the
You got the
diamond.
star.
I got it.
You got the star.
The heart.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do. Triangle.
I got it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
No, 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 no.
Oh no, no, no. What's that?
For cold. For the cold. You're so smart. Oh, you're not done teaching mommy. What's that? Yeah, what's that?
Mama,
Teach me, anak. Mommy don't have any idea about animals and about the shapes, about numbers and alphabet. Can you please teach me? Please.
This one?
What is that? Teach me, anak. Baby, mommy don't have any idea about alphabet and animals.
This one.
What is that, anak? What's that? Iguana?
No.
What is that?
Lion.
Lion? Okay.
Blue.
Iguana! What is that? What's that? Baby, teach me. I'm going to stop the camera now. You're my teacher.
Mommy, look.
What's that?
It's here.
Huh? What's that?
Elephant.
Elephant. Okay. Teach me, Daltea, please. What's that? Jaguar.
Jaguar. What's that?
What's that?
Lion.
Lion. Teach me the alphabet, please.
Okay, this one.
The numbers and shapes.
This one.
What is that?
Shape.
Circle and
Square. Square.
okay. Start from the alligator. Alligator, please.
Oh,
Yeah, that's alligator.
I can
Yeah. Okay, next. What's next?
I can be you.
Unicorn. What's the next of alligator? Alligator.
Yes.
Baby alligator.
Yeah.
And next?
And Mama, wait.
Mama and baby and daddy alligator.
Yeah.
What's next?
Wait, gonna.
Unicorn.
Baby next.
Okay, what's next of alligator, please?
Baby.
No.
Baby.
No, there.
Huh?
How about the bear? Alligator.
Baby.
Bear.
Baby.
No.